How's it going, everybody? This is Daniel. Long time no see. I know I haven't created a video in quite some time, but lately I haven't really been doing much. I promoted a couple things on a Bing. I made a couple Fiverr posts trying to sell some stuff on Fiverr, and right now I'm about to go ahead and try to advertise one of my YouTube videos. I got a video that's going to be made for my Money Membership International, uh, which is the website that I created. I'm waiting for that video to get done so I can start promoting that video, throw it on the site, and get it really kind of ramped up and really start promoting it. I haven't really been promoting it. I do have those two videos that I uploaded. One was very bad. The other one might have been a little bit better. But besides that, once the other video comes out that guy's making for me, I'm gonna go ahead and start ramping up my that one to be one of my main videos that I'm gonna be promoting for my Money Membership International site. So right now I'm gonna try to promote this other video that I have. It's $2. I just made a very low one. See what happens. I got it on accelerated, which means I'll spend my budget as quickly as possible. Or you can have it spend your budget evenly throughout the day. It's up to you. I went ahead and picked a couple countries: United Kingdom, United States, Switzerland, New Zealand, Ireland, Canada, and Australia. I wanted to target just those locations, so that's what I did. This is my text here: download income system. I should probably put no, yeah. I'll go ahead and leave it at that. This is the video I'm about to promote, which is a video that I already have on my my YouTube site as it is. So I think I'll be able to promote it with Bing. I'm not sure though. If I don't, then I'll try to promote it on YouTube or on Facebook and see what happens then. And I'll probably try to promote it on YouTube as well. What's up, y'all? This is Daniel. I'm here to talk to you guys about the new system that we got going on here. It's the this is the one I'm trying to promote right now. As you can see, this is URL up here, and it's a downline system where you refer other members. I'm going to talk to you a little bit about the type of income that you can create. Either way, that's the one I'm trying to promote. Like I said, I do have another video that's going to be coming, which I have a guy on Fiverr that's about to create it for me. I talked to him and everything, kind of made sure everything was alright. So hopefully that one comes out looking alright. Now, I went ahead and looked for these keywords right here. I looked for them on Google actually, because sometimes when you're using a Bing AdWords keyword planner, when you get to like the lower keywords, the lower priced keywords, sometimes they don't even have a price. Sometimes they might be $1, sometimes they might be 5 cents. So I try to go ahead and use the Google Keyword Planner, just because. I just go ahead and use that one. Go to like the if you're making an ad. I'm gonna show you exactly what I'm talking about real quick. This is just an example. Right now I was looking for Force Matrix, which this is just one of the keywords. This is one of the range of keywords I was looking for. And as we can see, if we go all the way up here, oop, it's a bit too far up. Yeah, you can put monthly searches if you wanted, or if you're trying to just try to get the lowest keyword possible, you can go ahead and do this. Where you go down to keyword suggestions and go down. So if maybe you're trying to only do keywords that are under 25 cents and under, 10 cents and under, or even 5 cents and under. So these ones right here, they're starting off at $34. Let's try to go all go way down here. Like me, normally I'll start mine off at like 25 cents and under. Okay, let's go ahead and go over, over, over. Probably start right here if you wanted to. I'm gonna show you exactly how to enter them into. See, these ones have the same issue where they don't show the price, which the monthly searches ain't all that great anyway. So what I'll probably do is go ahead and go back once and try to use those keywords instead. Let's go and try to do that right now, real quick. I went back, now we're in the 96 cents and under range. Who knows, maybe I'm being this keyword right here might only be like 50 cents, who knows. But I just want to show you guys, this is another cool thing about Google's keyword planner, is that when you're trying to copy all these keywords down to put them into Bing, you can just copy only the keywords. Normally when I copy the Bing keywords, I would end up copying all this stuff over here too. I'd end up copying all that, and I had to go ahead and delete it all real quick and try to get it all planned. But with the Google Keyword Planner, all you have to do is enter them in here. Let's go ahead and delete some of these other ones real quick. We'll only keep that top one and see how much it actually costs in Bing, because it might be actually cheaper than what it actually says. We'll just see what it says once we delete all these real quick. So this was the keyword at the top of the list over here for 96 cents. So let's see how much it actually costs. I'm not sure. It might cost the same, depending on what type of keyword, what type it's in. Maybe a word, phrase, or whatever. Right here it is. It's for the bra. It's 2.52. For the content, it's 2.52. For the phrase, it's 89 cents, and this exact is probably where it's going to be, up 90. So it's actually a little bit more, except for the phrase, it's actually a bit less. But there's nothing here saying that it's 96 cents. So obviously they all have their own different prices. So I'm going to go ahead and add all these real quick. These are all the keywords I have. I tried to make sure they were at least 5 cents. Some of them I had to enter in the custom value. Like, let's go ahead and see what it might have been. This one right here was probably like 6 cents or something. But let me go ahead and add all these in real quick, and then I will go ahead and show you what we do after we get done adding these. Oh wait, actually let's go ahead and add them in right now, and then I'll go ahead and show you a couple things real quick. Try to fix this window here. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and save it, and then we'll go ahead and see what we can do after this. These keywords are not allowed in Bing ads and will not be saved. Oh, make money. Okay, they're saying that this keyword right here, make money, is not allowed to be advertised. And I think I've told you guys this once before, but I actually tried to promote make money one time on Bing, which they allowed me to, and I got like fucking like 1,000, 2,000 clicks, and no one ever bought nothing. That's why they probably don't want you to do that. Now, as far as this goes, I'll bring that down to 5 or so, which is the content network. Now, you don't have to schedule it. Let's go down here to different demographics, which you have to do once this ad is complete. So let's go ahead and keep going down. Native ads. I forgot what native ads are, but I know they're not good. So, or they're not good in some sense. So, maybe I'll go ahead and check that out real quick so I can tell you exactly what the native ads are. Okay, I couldn't find a really good meaning of what the native ads are, but I have something right here which pretty much talks to you about it. It's at the Bing ads. All you have to do is look up native ads, and it's pretty much of a page that displays it or something like that. I think it has something to do where, you know, if somebody clicks in, I want Pizza Hut, and all of a sudden they start seeing Pizza Hut ads everywhere. I think that's what native ads are. I read this a little bit. I'm not sure exactly what they are. I'm just gonna go ahead and leave it alone. I'm gonna have to look into this a little bit more here. I'm gonna go ahead and keep this page right here so I can check it out later, and maybe I'll do a video about what the native ads exactly are later on. I'm sure if I wanted to look around even more, I'd probably figure it out. I still haven't read the whole thing, so I got just a general basis of what it is. So I'm gonna start keeping the native ads right now until I learn a little bit more about them. But the main reason I wasn't using native ads was because somebody else that I was watching do that, creating ads, wasn't using them. So I was just figured why I didn't use them. So obviously I need to look a little bit more into them. But I'm not sure if they did mess with my advertisements or they didn't. But this time I decided to increase them just to see what would happen. Plus, I put my search network and content bid at 9 cents because I'm only trying to advertise 5 cents, and it's 5 cents or so. But I can go up to 9 cents. I guess Bing just made an update, so they wanted me to refresh it, but I'm not going to go ahead and do that at this moment. Alright, plus we want to go ahead and go down here. Alright. Now this right here, let's try that. I never tried this one before. It said this option only appears to websites in certain locations. I never tried this before, so I'm going to go ahead and give that one a try as well. I've tried this one. This one I've never tried before. Plus we already have the regular search engine ones clicked as well. And how do you... see what this is. Alright, this one right here, sometimes you might get like a keyword or something that'll get like 20 clicks and everything else won't, so, or a certain ads, like just a little bit ago I had one ad that wasn't getting any clicks. It seems that this right here will rotate your ads or either rotate your keywords or something. So hopefully that's what it does, rotate the keywords, I believe. But it says rotate ads more evenly, include all ads, even those with a lower click-through rate. So my guess is this is keywords because we're not making a bunch of ads, we're making one advertisement. I think this is just because of this one advertisement. That's what I think, so that seems like a good idea to have them all rotate. Alright, look, it looks like this one is still eligible even though we got a $2 budget and our keywords are at 5 cents. Sometimes they won't allow your advertisement to run if it's too low or something. But it seems like this one is going to go ahead and let us run it, so we'll see what happens. I'll go ahead and keep you guys posted and see what happens after this. See what happens. See what type of views I get. I'm gonna have to go and look at my video to see what type of views we get afterwards. Alright. I'm sorry, I forgot that we have to go to the settings and mess with the settings as well. Still want to kind of make sure we edit it to the point where just so that it's configured in the right way. I make sure we pick out who we want to advertise this to and everything. Sorry if you can't see my face. I got the light turned off. I got a light right here though. It's a very low light though. Alright. Let's see if we can go ahead and go to these settings real quick. Alright. Now, do we have it on accelerated? Yes, we did. Okay. Schedules. So, I mean, this isn't a technical schedule. You can actually set your stuff to be shown at certain hours of the day. So if you look around and figure out which is the best time to show your advertisement, and you could actually advertise just at those hours. So let's say from 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. or something, that's the best time to advertise. So you can actually set this to advertise at that time, which I will be looking into as well. It's always good to just kind of figure out exactly where you want to be at. Now, female or male, I'm not sure. I think maybe a male is probably just a little bit more. Now, people, you know what I'm saying, 23 years old, 23, I don't think they're very, they're still at that point where they're not even thinking about what's going on. So, me, I'm going to decrease this by at least 50%. And 65, I'm going to go ahead and decrease that by 50%. And I would decrease 50 to 64, I say by 10%. So hopefully that leaves us with the 25 or 25 or so to 39. I'd rather have it to be like 30 to 49 or something like that, but this is as close as we can get. I might actually decrease this one by 10% as well. Maybe I'll decrease this one by 5%, so that we're mainly targeting the 35 to 49 area. That seems like a good area for me. Plus, we still might get some of these clicks as well, because it says very low percentage that we actually decreased it by. Yeah, that seems about right. So hopefully we still get a couple more clicks from here. Maybe a little bit from here, but none from here mainly. I should probably just decrease these two all the way to 100%. Just to say, you know what I'm saying, don't start messing around with the 50%, just decrease them all the way, because I really don't want people between 18 and 24, because it just don't seem like they're going to be the group that's interested in what I'm promoting at my YouTube video. They'll probably be interested in watching it, yeah, but I'm trying to get people to join the program as well. And people 65 and over, they obviously, you know what I'm saying, they're not interested in anything like that. They probably just want to chill back and hang out. They got to that age, so, you know, that's what they're doing now. They're just hanging out, chilling, watching TV. So, 50 to 64. There's still very active people at that age, but I'll only decrease it by 10%. And these people, I'll decrease it by 5%. So that seems like a good average of where you want to decrease it at, you know. So I'll just go ahead and leave it at that. Now, native ads. I just went ahead and increased them by 5% just to see what would happen. And as a matter of fact, I could probably go ahead and look in to see which is the most time people are online or something like that real quick to see if we can mess with those scheduled ads or schedule the advertisements at a different. Let's see what we can do with those. Okay, I went ahead and messed with my times now. I have this starting at 9 in the morning. Hopefully at 9 in the morning I don't see no AM PM, but 9 in the morning to around 2 o'clock, which is when kids go to school between like 8 o'clock to 2 o'clock or so. So I got it at 9 in the morning to 2. I could probably put it at like 2:15, like 2:45 or something. They get out at 2:45, but I'm just gonna go ahead and put it from 9 to 2, and then I got it at like 11 or so. I think it's 11 to let me see. I think I got it from 11 to 12 or something like that. I think this is 11, or I think this is either the 11 to the 12 o'clock at night. Hopefully, from like 4 in the morning or something like that. You know how it is. I'm normally up at like 4 in the morning or something like that. Right now it's like 2:11. So mainly the times where kids are either in school or what I'm saying, there's grown-ups that are up late at night or something like that. So hopefully that'll help by keeping it advertised like that. So I got it all days. So the first one will start from 9 or from 9 to from 9 in the morning till 2 o'clock. The next one will start from like 11 to 4 o'clock or something like that. Maybe I should make it 5. So hopefully that'll help with what we got going on here. Display time. Alright, so hopefully that'll help out since this is a 24-hour clock. As you can see, it goes all the way down to the 24. So hopefully we got it right. Hopefully it's not going to start showing at like 3 o'clock till 8 o'clock or something when kids get home or something. But most kids get on their game and stuff, so half the time they're not even on the internet as it is. Girls probably are. Girls are probably the most people that are on the internet. As a matter of fact, I should probably increase the girls to 5%. And have the boys at 0%. But then again, we're not actually trying to get younger people. We're trying to get males and females are on the internet equally. So then again, what is my system? Is my system catered to men more than it is to women? I am a man, so maybe it is. So maybe I'll just go ahead and increase that by. Maybe I'll just leave it alone instead. So who knows? That ones are hard to judge. I'm not promoting a ClickBank site, so I can't judge on whether it's a fitness program or anything like that. It's not a program catering to any site, so I suppose I'll just leave that as it is. Now we have these decreased by 100% for 65 and over, 10% for 50 to 64, 5% for these ages, and 100% for these ages. So we got it around where we needed it to be, so hopefully this will all work out. Oh, I guess I can only decrease this by 90%, which I'll go ahead and do. And this one as well. Alright. Now that's another new thing we just found out. We can only decrease these by 9%. These are the devices. Right here, tablet, smartphone. Right now I'll probably decrease these smartphones. I'd rather have my ad show up on tablets, since the tablet is like a little mini, book, mini computer or something. I'll decrease the tablets by like 15%. I know my mom has a iPhone pad tablet type thing. My brother has a tablet. So I think most grown-ups try to use the tablets when they're either sitting at look on the internet for anything. Most kids use probably smartphones or something. I use a smartphone though, even though I'm not a kid. So I don't know. That's all based on whatever you think. I mean, me personally, if I had a tablet instead, I would probably use the tablet. I'll go ahead and decrease this by 10%. Just leave it like that, I suppose. And we'll go ahead and save it. Alright, we got it running. We got everything the way we want it to be. We got our times put in there. We got a $2 budget, daily budget. We got 5 cents per keyword. This is going to be a very cheap keyword. This is going to be a very cheap one right quick. This is going to be a very cheap advertisement. So hopefully we'll see how many clicks we get for $2. Alright everybody, we are back. It's been at least 7 days so far. We have gotten a bunch of impressions. We got 1 click so far, and it's been at least like 7 days or 8 days. What I have done was increase the keyword amount by the keyword bid by 10 cents. What I will do is probably increase it by another, maybe I'll go ahead and put an update video out after that, and we'll see what happens. I'm going to go ahead and increase it right now. Maybe I'll increase it by 15%. See what happens. Yeah, we did make it at 5 cents each, but unfortunately we only got 1 click, and it doesn't even look like we got charged for that click actually, so that's very good. What I'll do is increase it. It's been a while. I increased it to 10 cents about 2 days or 3 days after we made the campaign, and so far we haven't really been getting too many clicks. We've gotten quite a bit of impressions. I just updated it, so I'll probably just put out a little update video on it in a couple days here. If I start seeing clicks coming in, I'll go ahead and put an update out in maybe a few days, but if not, I might put out another update in 7 days or so. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Alright guys, what I will do is I'll probably go ahead and put an update out in probably 7 days so we can see what happened after I increased it to 15 cents. So I'll go ahead and put an update out right after that, and I'll put it on the first on our playlist, on my playlist in the channel, so you guys can see what happened after that if you're interested. Alright, thank you guys for watching once again.